Hello and welcome to this course. Let me start with a simple question. Have you ever wondered how Netflix recommends movies, how Google predicts what you are going to type, or how companies make decisions using data instead of guesses? All of that is powered by machine learning. Now, the good news is you don't need to be a math genius, you don't need a PhD, and you definitely don't need years of experience to start learning machine learning today. If you know basic Python and you are curious about data, logic, and automation, this course is designed exactly for you. This course is for students who want to enter data science or AI, working professionals who want to upgrade their skills, software developers who want to add ML to their profile, testers, analysts, and engineers who want to move into AI driven roles, and anyone who wants to understand machine learning practically, not just theoretically. Even if machine learning feels confusing right now, this course will make it clear and structured. In this course, we start from the absolute fundamentals. We first understand what exactly is machine learning, why traditional programming fails in many real world problems, and how machines actually learn from data. You will clearly understand why we don't write if else rules in ML, how data becomes knowledge, and how models improve over time. I explain everything with real life examples so concepts stay in your mind. One of the biggest confusions beginners have is how is machine learning different from traditional programming? In this course, I break it down visually and logically. Once you understand this difference, machine learning suddenly starts making sense. This single topic alone clears confusion for most beginners. Next, we go deep into types of machine learning. You will learn supervised learning, unsupervised learning, where each type is used in real applications, not just definitions, but when to use what and why. This foundation helps you choose the right approach in real projects. Then we move into Python for machine learning. Don't worry, this is not a pure Python course, but I make sure that you are comfortable with Python basics needed for ML, environment setup step by step, installing libraries the right way, avoiding common setup issues beginners face. By the end of this section, your system is fully ready for ML development. You will get a clear overview of NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, scikit-learn. You will understand what each library is used for, how they work together in a ML pipeline. We then focus on data handling and pre-processing, which is the most important skill in ML. Because in the real world, models fail not because of algorithms but because of bad data. You will learn exploratory data analysis (EDA), understanding data patterns, finding trends and outliers, visualizing data correctly, making decisions based on the insights. Then we move to feature engineering, one of the most powerful and underrated ML skills. I will show you how good features can outperform complex algorithms. Next comes the core machine learning models. Supervised learning, regression models, classification models, real world use cases, model evaluation and validation. Unsupervised learning, k-means clustering, hierarchical clustering, principal component analysis (PCA). Everything is explained step by step with intuition first and code second. Finally, we cover real world readiness. You will learn how to save trained models, how to load them back, basics of ML deployment, industry best practices, how ML is actually used in production systems. This helps you move beyond tutorials and think like a professional ML practitioner. What makes this course different is beginner-friendly explanations, clear learning path, practical mindset, industry-oriented thinking, no unnecessary complexity. This course builds a strong foundation, so you can confidently move to advanced ML, deep learning, or AI later. So, if you want to understand machine learning from scratch, learn it the right way, build confidence in ML concepts, and future proof your career, then this course is for you. Enroll now and start your machine learning journey today. I will see you inside the course.